In this video, we'll be installing Docker Desktop on macOS. I'll be opening docker.com, go here to Products and Docker Desktop. So Docker is right now the #1 containerization software for developers and teams. What you will do, you will download it for Mac. And it has automatically detected as Mac Apple chip. Mac also comes with the Intel chip and it also comes with the Apple chip. So I'm using MacBook M2. So I'll be downloading it for the Apple chip here. So docker.dmg is being downloaded right now. Once it is downloaded, we will install the application. So here you can see docker.dmg is downloaded here. I'll be simply opening this, drag the Docker and move it to applications. So this application is being installed right now. Alright, so Docker Desktop is now ready. We can even delete the DMG file also. I exit the DMG from here. You can open it from Launchpad. It's verifying Docker now. When you're running for the first time, it gives you a warning whether you want to open because it is downloaded from the internet. I'll open this. So we'll accept the license agreement here. If you're an advanced user, you can choose advanced setting. Otherwise, you can choose the recommended settings, which is fine. This is the system password. Here you go. So Docker is running right now. This is just a survey. You can even skip this. Once you install, you will see these settings here. In general, you have to make sure that Docker is running in the background. I will keep it enabled. So Docker in the background is running right now. Now your Docker is ready on macOS. I'll be also signing in now. You can see here it shows signed in, and right now there is no container, there is no image, there is no volume. Use the launchpad to open terminal, and all the commands that you can use for Docker can be used here. So I can see here Docker. So all the Docker commands can be used here. So you can search image, for example, Nginx, Postgres. In next video, I'll show you how you can install containerized application in your Docker environment.